Here we're going to talk about using the midpoint formula. So if we remember what it was, it is, I'm just going to go ahead and write it down here. I just get in the habit of doing it all the time. x1 plus x2 all over 2, comma, y1 plus y2 all over 2. Now what I do is I choose one of the points as my x1, y1. And so I basically just say this is x1, y1, and it doesn't matter which one you choose. And then I go and I say that this is x2, y2 for my e. And now all I have to do is just plug it in. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to write that out. So I've got a couple different things here. I'm just going to set it up. And here we go. I've got my x1, which is 3, and my y1, which is 5. I've got my x2, which is a negative 4, and my y2, which is 0. So now all I do is I go ahead and I simplify here, and since this is 3 plus a negative 4, it's like 3 minus 4, which is a negative 1 over 2, and then 5 plus 0 is just 5 over 2. And this right here is my midpoint.